What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best high-flow catalytic converter on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Nilite 3 Inlet/Outlet Catalytic Converter. The Nilite Universal Catalytic Converter is designed for various vehicle models, including certain Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, and Cadillac applications. It is built with stainless steel along with an aluminized body and pipe, which gives it strong resistance to wear and helps it withstand demanding driving conditions. The polished exterior enhances durability while also giving a clean appearance. This converter works with vehicles that follow the on-board diagnostics 2 standard. It is approved under the Environmental Protection Agency guidelines for use in most areas, though it is not permitted in the states of California and Colorado. It can be used in New York and Maine for vehicles that have federal emission equipment. Checking local regulations before installation is important. Its design allows flexibility during installation, with expandable bushings that help in achieving a proper fit. In some situations, additional fabrication or welding may be required to ensure secure placement. The unit is crafted with original equipment style flanges, hangers, and brackets that provide firm attachment and long service life. By using advanced wash coat technology along with carefully balanced precious metal content, this converter is made to help reduce harmful emissions and keep the check engine warning from appearing when functioning properly. Before purchasing, matching the specifications to the correct vehicle is recommended to achieve the intended performance. Nilite backs this product and provides support if any issues arise. In our list, the number 4 product name is KAC Catalytic Converters 2.5. The KAC catalytic converters are made for vehicles with an exhaust inlet and outlet size of 2.5 inches. They are manufactured with a high-flow stainless steel structure and a polished finish that can handle demanding driving conditions. The design uses a flange-to-flange connection and bolt-on installation style, allowing secure placement when matched correctly to the vehicle exhaust system. Built to follow original equipment specifications, these converters are also approved by the United States Environmental Protection Agency. The high-flow operation is designed to improve conversion efficiency while maintaining strong exhaust flow. The units meet on-board diagnostics 3 compliance standards, helping vehicles stay within federal emission limits except in states with special restrictions like California. The body is constructed from stainless steel and aluminized tubing to resist rust and extend service life. Inside, a double-layer ceramic carrier withstands high temperatures while increasing surface area and airflow, contributing to better fuel economy and engine performance. This setup supports smoother operation and can help restore the vehicle's quietness during driving. An internal honeycomb pattern is used to maximize efficiency. The ceramic substrate contains precious metals such as platinum, rhodium, and palladium, which assist in converting harmful gases like carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides into less harmful substances such as carbon dioxide, water, and nitrogen. This process helps maintain cleaner air output and supports environmental protection. Each converter weighs just under 6 pounds and is engineered for consistent performance. When installed properly, it plays a key role in both vehicle efficiency and emission control, offering a combination of durability, functionality, and environmental benefit. In our list, the number 3 product name is Asaparts 3 Catalytic Converter Universal. The Asaparts Universal Catalytic Converter is built to work with various vehicles that have an inlet and outlet of 3 inches and a total length of 11 inches. It is important to measure the exhaust system to ensure it matches the required size before fitting. This converter is designed to work as a direct replacement for the original part, making it compatible with many standard vehicle exhaust systems. Inside the unit is a honeycomb ceramic structure with a porous surface that helps control exhaust gases. The design aims to support smoother flow and cleaner emissions when used with a properly maintained vehicle. The stainless steel body and aluminized tubing are chosen to handle high heat levels while resisting corrosion, even in demanding environments. This catalytic converter is made to align closely with original vehicle specifications for easier installation. Factory testing is performed to help ensure correct fitment, while some experienced owners may handle installation themselves. Professional fitting is recommended for best results. The structure is engineered to maintain strength over time, supporting durability in varied driving conditions. A port for the oxygen sensor is included, allowing proper connection to the vehicle's monitoring system. This connection is important for accurate feedback to the engine control unit, which helps maintain performance and reduce harmful output. The product comes with a 1-year warranty, giving extra assurance to vehicle owners. If any issues are found, assistance is available through customer service channels. In our list, the number 2 product name is Pulcherflow 2.25-inch inlet/outlet universal catalytic converter. The Pulcherflow universal catalytic converter is made for vehicles with an exhaust pipe outer diameter of 2.25 inches. Checking the size before purchase ensures correct fitment. It is constructed with stainless steel and designed in a round shape, offering strength to handle the demands of vehicle operation. The welded joints are made to stay secure under high temperatures and resist damage from rust, pressure, and corrosion, which supports a longer service life. Inside, the converter uses a honeycomb structure that allows exhaust gases to pass while encouraging the conversion of harmful compounds into less harmful ones. This process can turn carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides into carbon dioxide, water, and nitrogen. By doing so, it supports cleaner emissions and contributes to environmental protection when paired with a well-maintained vehicle. This product is approved under the United States Environmental Protection Agency requirements and contains precious metals to aid in reducing pollutants from the exhaust system. It is legal in most states, with restrictions in California, Colorado, New York, and Maine due to local emissions laws. Buyers should check state regulations before ordering to avoid restrictions. The bolt-on installation style makes it easier to position correctly, though professional fitting is recommended for best results. When installed properly, it works as part of the overall exhaust system to help maintain performance while meeting emission standards. A warranty covering 5 years or 50,000 miles offers additional assurance for long-term use. The combination of durable materials, efficient internal design, and compliance with federal guidelines makes it a practical choice for many vehicle owners needing a replacement catalytic converter. In our list, the number 1 product name is Filtop catalytic converter for 2.5-inch. The Filtop catalytic converter is designed for vehicles that have an exhaust pipe inlet and outlet size of 2.5 inches. It is important to confirm the measurement before installation to ensure correct compatibility. This unit is approved under the United States Environmental Protection Agency standards for federal emissions models, making it suitable for use in most regions except California, New York, and Maine, where it is not legal to sell or install. The converter features a high-flow internal structure built with a honeycomb ceramic core. The porous design increases both the flow rate and the available surface area, supporting effective conversion of exhaust gases. This helps transform harmful compounds into less damaging substances when paired with a properly functioning vehicle system. The chrome exterior adds to its durability while offering resistance to heat and environmental elements. It is manufactured to fit as a direct replacement, simplifying installation when matched correctly to the vehicle's exhaust configuration. The inclusion of a port for the oxygen sensor allows integration with the vehicle's monitoring system, enabling accurate engine control adjustments. This function helps maintain performance while keeping emissions within approved limits. Weighing just over 6 pounds, the converter is built for strength and longevity. The design balances efficient gas flow with structural stability, ensuring consistent operation over time. Buyers should verify fitment details before purchasing to achieve the intended results. For questions or support, assistance is available to guide users through the selection and installation process.